In this tutorial, we will see that how you can fix this error if your YouTube is showing this U option in place of library. Now to fix this, simply minimize it and open settings of your device. After opening it, you will see here these apps. You can open it. After opening it, you can see here, see all 53 apps, where you have to search for YouTube. Click on this search and search for YouTube. Here it is. You can open it. This U option is showing you because of YouTube's recent update. So now, if you want to turn this back to library, what you can do is simply uninstall its updates. To uninstall it, click on these three dots and you will see here uninstall updates. If you click on that, your YouTube will turn into previous version where you will see library option. This was the first method to fix it. If that didn't work, what you can do is simply open Google and search for YouTube previous versions. And you can download YouTube previous versions if you want to see library option in place of U. So that's how you can fix YouTube library option not showing in just few steps.